Okay, welcome back, and in this video we're going to mount the landing gear onto the airplane. Decided a couple of things though. Initially anyways, I'm not going to use the wheel pants because of the field I fly at. The grass is rather matted and thick, and I'd rather these wheels not get all gummed up with grass clippings and so forth. So I think I'll start it without. If the grass clippings aren't a problem, then I might put them back on. Okay, so from the bag of parts that I marked as main gear, there are 3 bolts. These are 3mm bolts. So I've got a 3mm hex driver, and that'll work well. Got 1 lock washer and 1 flat washer on it. And so the first thing I'm going to do is just try all 3, make sure that there's no restrictions, limitations, and sometimes you'll find glue, sometimes you'll find paint. So you'll always want to make sure that the bolt's going to work before you start mounting everything. Okay, so those 3 are going to work fine. Washers fell off. All right, there we go. Okay. So now the gear only goes on one way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the middle one in, and I got a new tube of Loctite. This is actually Loctite, okay? The Loctite brand of thread locker, okay? I used the Loctite brand for a long time. When it ran out, went to the store, didn't have any Loctite, but they had the Permatex, so I bought it, used it for a couple of years. So I finally ran that one out. Let me see how I want to do this. Okay, I've decided I'm going to go ahead and put the Loctite in the hole. And in order to do that, I'm going to tilt this up so it doesn't run all the way down through. So 3 drops in the hole. I'll probably put a little drop on this as I put them in. And here we go. I'll do the middle one first. Get the next one. A little bit of Loctite on the threads. By the way, when I open the Loctite, I used to cut it off with a razor blade. I don't like that anymore. What I do now is drill a hole in it so it doesn't flow out so quickly. And I drill it with my 1mm drill bit. And so that seems to work a whole lot better than trying to cut it off with a razor blade. Let's screw these down. And you want to make sure that the lock washer is flattened out well, and then the other thing you want to do is make sure that you are the blind nut is fully seated, and that feels good enough. Just go by feel. So I think that's going to work. We got wheels. Okay, thank you very much, and stay tuned for the next video.